Finally ripped out the toilet, working on getting the base of it out, the flooring out, and notice it's been rotted and redone from before. So it's kind of a pain in the butt, but he's getting it. We've got the rest of this floor pretty good. Jim is working on the kitchen. Kitchen's coming together, so that's looking good. We got cabinets all up on both sides. Yesterday Jim brought us some, it's like polyurethane with stain in it so that we could fix these boards in the floor that we replaced. We stained over those. Those are looking pretty good. Trying to get those to match. And on to the next projects today. Basement down here drawn in, and all this cast iron piping is how they did all the drains in these houses back in the day. But you no longer really do it that way, so we need to cut out a bunch of this cast iron stuff and get rid of it. Found a cast iron cutting blade for the Sawzall, so gonna use that to cut right through here. Alright, guys, upstairs working on the shower floor, and I'm gonna start cutting out a bunch of this plumbing, so let's get to it. Thank goodness for storm windows. Oh, that window over here. Oh my God! Dude, I just slid across the floor. My Melanie. No. Hold on. What, is your camera out there? Well, after the storm came through, and now look what we get to see.